Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Anas Azizi from E13. My ID EB19326. My final project title is Coffee Shop Management System.
Yes, good morning. My name is Chong Yong Liang and my ID is EB19032. And today me and my partner will make a video about our computer programming final project, and the topic is coffee shop management system.
Chapter 1, Introduction. Point 1, Project Background. Our project title is to do coffee shop management system. Currently, we are planning to open a new coffee shop which is my Papa Coffee Shop. So we are making a program with a simple code to let the buyer order our coffee more easily. Build the system of coffee shop management is not as easy as ABC. We have to combine what we learn in our daily life and use all the knowledge we got in class to make perfect system programming. On point 2, problem statement. The customer want to cancel the order or the part of the order, and customer want to add the order. Objective, our project is to produce a good management system in our coffee machine management system. We work to be a best coffee shop in the town to save time in the life. Lastly, our objective is to make sure our system runs smoothly for every customer, so we made to save the cost to save our budget.
You can see I will discuss about the chapter 2, which is the flowchart and the coding. Alright, first this is the flowchart. When the simulation is start, it will automatically print the welcome statement. Then we need to put the input. The input will have 4 choices, which is input 1, input 2, input 3, and input 4. Alright, if we put input 3, we will come up the print info, which is the latest info. And if we put the input 4, it will exit, so it will print thank you. Then it will come to the connector F, which is the connector F will lead to the end of simulation. Alright, so let us focus on input 1. So when we enter the input 1, it will print menu 1, which is the menu of coffee menu. And then we need to input our name. Then we need to put the input menu 1, which is the item we choose from the menu 1. Alright, then there is a decision A, explain it later. Then there is a decision add, either we want to add more order or not. If yes, then the loop will come to the input menu and everything will go through again here. So if we keep pressing yes, the money will increase our order and the loop will keep looping. Alright, and then when we stop, we press no, it will lead to a connector B. Alright, the connector B will continue here and then it will print the receipt. Alright, then we need to input the money and it will calculate the balance, and there is a connector E here, which I will explain later. Alright, first, the difference between input 1 and input 2 is input 1 print menu 1 and input 2 print menu 2. Alright, so this is the A and the C. Alright, for the A part, we can see if we choose 1, it will print the item we choose. Then when we insert quality, it will print the order. So same here. Alright, for the C part, it's also the same. Alright, and for the E here, it's checking the balance. If B equal to 0, then it will automatically print thank you. And if B, it will print balance and print thank you, and so on. So if less than, we need to insert money, and that's all for the flowchart. Alright, so now I will discuss about the coding. Alright, first you can see we are declaring variable here. Alright, so this is the welcoming statement. When we start the simulation, we will come out the welcoming statement. Alright, then this is our first function. Our first function is display menu and it's about coffee menu. And this is the second function, it is about food menu. Alright, so this is where our coding start. Okay, first we just keep declaring the variable. Alright, our coding start with the while function, which is there are 4 choices here. Okay, so if we choose 1, it will come up the coffee menu, and then we need to put our name. So it's coding for we put our name. Then there is if else here. This is if else is when we choose the item on the coffee menu, so it will come up with the price and so on. Alright, so you can see after that we'll print it will print our order, and this is where it asks if we want to extra order to keep the loop looping. Alright, so here is the payment receipt. Here is the if else function to count our balance when we insert the money. Alright, so here is the case 2. When we choose 2, it is almost same with case 1. Just the only different thing is case 2 is for the food menu, and there is only 4 options, while the coffee menu have 5 options. Alright, so almost the same. Enter choice, then if else. Alright, then order. Alright, let us proceed. Case 3 is only show the latest info, so it will end the simulation, and case 4 will directly end the simulation. Alright, for further coding you can see it in my report. Alright,
The result of the coding, we use CodeBlock 3.2 user manual. First of all, when we run the simulation, there will be 4 options for us to choose. Using the third option will allow you to read the latest info and latest event in our coffee shop. Besides, choosing the fourth option will let you exit the program, and you can buy anything what you want, like a flavor coffee or size of cup. 8.3 Conclusion. In conclusion, my partner and I have learned to apply the usage of computer programming in C language in our life. We need to know computer programming to make their life easily. And the last one, friend and I believe that as an engineer, we need to know computer programming because we are studying in engineering course, where in our career we need to calculate all the thing and operate a machine by using computer programming, which is the mother tongue of machine language. For reference, you can refer this.
right, so now I will try to run the simulation. Alright, let's run. Alright, so this is my welcoming statement, and there is a 4 option. Alright, let's say that I choose the third option. So you can see there is the latest info. Then we press any button, it will end the simulation. Alright, so let us try with the fourth. Alright, when we press, it will directly end. Alright, and if we press another number, alright, so it will restart the simulation automatically. So let us try with the first simulation. Alright, first option. Alright, press our name, let's say Chong. Alright, then we put our choice. Let's say I want a latte, so I will post 1. So latte will coming out in 5 minutes. So quality I want 1. So you can see here is my order. So let's say that if I press yes, so the loop will keep looping. So maybe you can refer here. So maybe I want mocha, so I press 5. Then for quantity I want 2. So here is my new order, so I don't want any more order, and I want to pay here. It will be 35 ringgit and 80 cents. So let's say I pay 50. So you can see here is my balance, and the simulation will end. Alright, another example. Let's say that if we insert 2, that means that we buy food menu. So I want maybe waffle. So sorry, that's my name. So I want waffle, so I want 1 waffle. So I don't want to add on anything, so it will be 3 ringgit, and if I pay value 3 ringgit, so no more balance, and the simulation will be end. So I think that's all for my simulation. Thank you very much.